Dan Mulligan, partner at YellowDog. We're a Denver-based design, print, and marketing company who helps our clients reach out to their audiences in meaningful and effective ways. So by about mid-March, we were down about 85% in our overall business, and we brought our entire team together to discuss the best way to move YellowDog forward. And we worked with Denver's work-share program to move the entire staff to part-time and keep them all employed, keep them all with their full insurance, and worked with that for a while until we received our PPP loans, and then we're able to bring everybody back full-time after that. We're still down probably about 50% in total sales, but we are starting to see some increase, and we're really hoping for a good summer. After meeting with our team, we were pretty quickly able to shift our production into ways to really help our clients communicate during the crisis, which included a lot of changes in how they were able to interact with their public. A large food market needed to be able to say, okay, we're not doing in person anymore, but here's how you can contact us via our web, or here's social distancing circles, or here is a sign saying how to pick up or deal with those sort of things. So a lot of our business over this past has really developed around encouraging our customers to be able to communicate with theirs. One of the most helpful things for us is one thing I really encourage a lot of businesses to do is not only talk to your clients and where they are right now, but talk to almost any business and your competitors, your suppliers, and figure out the best way that we can all work together to keep this Denver economy going, spend more money locally, really reinforce each other and this wonderful community we have.